my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is, I think, everybody's favorite, and that is Sarojini Nagar haul video. I went to Sarojini before Christmas, and I think it was after 6 months that I went to Sarojini, because my last trip to Sarojini was somewhere in the month of June. And this time I must tell you guys, Sarojini is oozing with such amazing winter stuff. You definitely need to spend some good time because you need to dig out the stuff for yourself. But trust me guys, this time you will find such amazing winter stuff, bags, boots and whatnot. And since I went just before Christmas, so they had beautiful, cute Christmas goodies and so many Christmas related outfits and sweaters and all that great stuff. So before I dive into the haul, I just want to share a small thing that I will divide this video into 2 parts. So in today's part 1, I will show you guys the stuff that I got, and I want to discuss about the prices, the stuff, and also some haggling / bargaining techniques. And I will also be sharing with you guys some shop numbers, which I think I will mention down below in the description box, so that you guys can straight away head to these shops, because these shopkeepers were good, they were not gurus, they were ready to bargain, and they had good variety also. And in the next part 2, I will be doing a lookbook, like a try on haul sort of a thing, so that you guys can see how the stuff looks upon me and how I style it up. So now without any further delay, let's get started. The first thing that I got is this beautiful Christmas sweater. So this is how it is. It has some reindeers on it, and it's a beautiful Christmas red and white combination. As I mentioned, I went before Christmas, so I wanted to buy something Christmassy. And this is the sweater. It's really fuzzy. It's very warm. It's actually very thick, you know, in it's very thick, and also it's asymmetrical, which is like very cool. So it's a little high-low sort of a thing, and it looks very cute when you wear it. If I have to style it up, I will definitely like to wear it with my tights and high boots, or I can just wear it with leggings and a tight skirt and this sweater on top. You can just style it up in so many different ways, and I don't think you really need to layer it up, because it is, as it is, very thick. You can at the most muffle around a scarf. And yeah, this is how this sweater looks like. I got this one for 150 rupees. The next thing that I got is very cute. I think I just went for the color. I gave my heart to this color, and that is this beautiful pastel pink woolen dress. It's just a simple, like a midi dress. It falls below the knees. It has pockets, and I just love anything that has pockets with it. And it has a zipper at the back to give it a better fitting. It's sleeveless, so you have to definitely either wear something full underneath or wear something full over it. So how I would plan to style it up is, maybe I can wear it with a trench coat, some net leggings and nice heels. It can be boots, it can be, you know, my normal pumps or anything of that sort. But I think it looks very cute. It's very girly. I love the color, and I got this one for 200, and it's really warm. It's a very nice thick material, and I've actually washed all this stuff, and you guys can see the colors, the quality, everything is intact. Nothing has gone like off-site, but yeah, it's pretty. Next thing, which is really smart, and that is a pair of pajamas. So these are actually pajama pants. It's elasticated, so it's like a pajama, but it gives the look of a pant. It's checkered. It has some zip detail here on the pocket, and I don't think it has a pocket. No, it does not have a pocket. I think it has a pocket, yeah. If you open the zip, and yeah, there is a pocket definitely, which has a zip opening to it. And it is a very warm pajama. It has fleece underneath the pajama, so you don't really have to worry about feeling warm. You don't have to worry about feeling cold. You can just wear it as it is. And this is how this pajama looks like. It is really smart. It looks very chic. You can wear it with your leather jackets. You can wear it with crop jackets. You can wear it with sweaters, and you can just wrap around a scarf and just layer it up, you know, the sweater and the jacket and the scarf, and you can just wear this pajama with it. It looks so stunning. Or you can just wear it as your home pajama. I think I will be wearing it out also, because I find it very smart, and I got this for only 100 rupees. Next thing is a very pretty skirt. This time I found amazing woolen skirts, and trust me guys, I was actually on a hunt of woolen skirts. I went to so many stores. I went to Marks and Spencer's and Mango and Zara and a lot of different places. I did buy woolen skirts from Marks and Spencer's last year, but spending such a bomb on a skirt is like not worth it. But Sarojini has amazing collection of woolen skirts, guys. You must check this out. I will be mentioning the shop number in the description box. So there were like a lot of small stalls inside a big enclosure. So these woolen skirts were in one of those shops. I will be mentioning the number, and I will also sort of mention the detail of woolen skirts for this shop, so on and so forth. So anyways, this is the skirt that I got. It's a beautiful check print with pink base, and it has a zip here at the center, no, on the back, and this is how the skirt looks like. It has a little bit of flair. It's not a tight fit skirt, but it is definitely well fitted here around the waist area, and this is how it falls. It falls below the knees. It's a nice woolen fabric. The shopkeeper was actually quoting these skirts as 350 rupees, but then I haggled and he finally settled for 150 rupees per skirt. I actually got 2-3 pieces. So yeah, this is the first one. Then I got another pair of skirts from the same guy, and this is this beautiful military green color. It's completely woolen. It's like a nice thick warm woolen fabric. It has pockets in the front, which I absolutely love, and it has a zip and a button at the back, and yeah, it has loops, so you can even wear a belt with it, and it has a small slit here at the back, and this is how the skirt looks like. It is absolutely stunning. I think this will look really nice and elegant with a nice coat or a blazer, maybe something in black or something very bright like a mustard yellow, because I feel mustard yellow and this kind of green goes really well with each other, or you can just team it up with anything that you want. But I feel these skirts are so functional. They're so wearable in winters. You can just wear it with your leggings and boots or whatever heels you want to wear it with, and you are so sorted for the winters. And this skirt is also for 150 rupees. And then I got another pair of skirt. I don't know if I got a pair of skirt. I got another skirt also from the same guy, and this is a trumpet skirt. It's a beautiful red checkered design. It has a broad belt here at the waist area, and it's a trumpet skirt because it has these beautiful flary kind of bottom. It's actually called a trumpet skirt, and I wore it for one of my outings. I wore it with black leather jacket, which was just hair till the waist. It was a short jacket, the skirt, leggings, my boots and a cap, and it looked absolutely cute. Also for 150 rupees. Then we also, by we I mean me and my friends, we all went together, went to a shop, and it was like a shop, but he had some stands on the road and he was selling stuff at an incredibly insane price. So I got this kind of a tunic. I think it's very loose on me. I have to get it fitted, but I really loved it because it has these pockets in the front. It's sleeveless. It has a zip at the back, but I went for the color. It is so pretty. It's such a winter color. This color is so much trending these days. I absolutely love it, and I will definitely wear it with like a black sweater. Like I'm wearing a black sweater underneath, full sleeves, or any other sweater for that matter, and maybe I can throw a jacket or a trench coat over it, or I can just wear it with a skivvy and this tunic over it, and some nice cute looking boots or ballerinas or anything of that sort, and I think this will look cute. So I have to actually decide how I'm going to style up all these things. But yeah, anyways, this is what I got, and I got it for only 100 rupees because he was selling all these things for 100 rupees. Then from the same guy, like the one who was selling his stuff for 100 rupees, I got another tunic. I think we call these tunics, and this is a beautiful checkered design. I think I have been obsessing over checks of lately. Now this has half sleeves. It has a button here at the back, and I believe there was something here which is missing, or something which has gone off. So I'm just planning to attach a bow, like a big bow. I will make it and I will just attach it here and it'll look so cute. So this is how this dress looks like. It's really cute, it's really warm, and it sort of tapers here at the bottom, which gives it a nice fitted look. It doesn't like, you know, just falls flat on your body. It looks nice, it looks fitted, it looks feminine. So yeah, this is how this one looks like. And this one was also for 100 rupees. Yes. Then I went to a very interesting shop, and this guy was very interesting. He actually gave me such a good discount, and I actually have a recording of him which I will do in my Sarojini Nagar vlog video, which I'll be posting very soon, or I would have posted by now. I don't know, let's see which of the videos go first. So this guy had some really amazing jackets and sweaters. So I got this beautiful, like a short coat or a jacket, whatever you can call it. It's like it's a coat, but it's a jacket coat. It has these very stylish, like a fluffy shoulder, and it's short. That's the beauty, because I just love to wear short jackets. It has very nice buttons here, and what else? Yeah, and a very nice collar. And this is how it looks like, and it's one of my favorite color, which is red. And when you wear it, it looks really stylish. You can style it up in so many different ways. You can just wear it with your jeggings or jeans. You can wear it with your skirts. You can wear it over a dress. You can just style this coat up in so many different ways, and it gives such a beautiful feminine look and feel, and the silhouette of this particular piece is so amazing. I wore this as well, and I have a picture on Instagram wearing this blazer with my shimmery pants, and I'm standing close to a Christmas tree and I've got a picture clicked. So yeah, if you guys want to see how this coat looks, you can head to my Instagram account and you can check it out there. So yeah, this is what I got, and as I said, this guy gave me a very good discount. He actually quoted 450 rupees for this coat, but because of my haggling techniques, he actually ended up giving it to me for only 150 rupees. I mean, this quality, this kind of blazer for 150 rupees, it is incredible. It's seriously incredible. So yeah, that's that. And then I got one piece of accessory, which is a bag, and I think this is the cutest bag ever, and that is this cute little thing right here. I mean, just look at the quality, guys. I mean, I just wish if you could have touched and felt it. It is so sturdy. It is such good quality. It does not look tacky at all. You know, you see these rivets on the side. It gives such a nice, funky, rich look to the bag. The color, I mean, what should I say about the color? Then it has a sling. It also has a hand holder. It has a zip at the back. And when you open it, push this button onto a side and you open the flap. And inside, I mean, the stuffing is still there, but you have a lot of space, because, you know, this is the width, the depth and height of the bag, which is really good. I mean, I absolutely love this bag, and I just found it so good. And I have the shop number of this guy. He had good collection, and he was nice. He was sweet enough to give me good discount. Although he did not budge much on this bag, and I actually didn't expect this bag to be anywhere around 150-200 rupees, because the quality is really, really good. But he was quoting 600 for this bag, and he finally settled for 400. Actually, we got two bags. So I got one and my friend got the other one. So he gave it to us for 450, and I absolutely love this bag. This is so, so cute. So guys, this was my Sarojini Nagar haul video for the month of December, or you can say for winters. I am actually having some more stuff with me, but that's gone for dry cleaning. There's some more coats and some other amazing stuff, but I've sent it for dry cleaning because I don't think it was a good idea washing it at home. So I will be doing another haul video, and if I get a chance to visit Sarojini once again before that video, I will do that, because I just want to get some more bags and accessories. Let's see if I get a chance to go. So anyways, till the time I do that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and very soon I will be doing a lookbook on my Sarojini Nagar haul video, so that you guys can see how these pieces look upon me and how I style it up. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to show it a big thumbs up, leave your comments, and do subscribe to my channel, guys. And wish you all a very happy 2017. God bless you all. Have a very happy, healthy, and a very, very prosperous new year. See you guys very soon. Bye. Love you.